Sallie, tell me what happened behind you.
Well, here, this is our house. It's part of the bed and breakfast inn, but we had a tree limb come from up above and fall on our garage this last night. So got up this morning and here was a tree limb. There was another one that was down on top of cable lines. But this obviously is one that is going to have to wait a couple of days because we aren't able to get a tree service out here quick enough to remove it immediately.
You have a unique perspective, El Paso County Commissioner / homeowner.
Right.
Are you surprised that it's taking so long to get help?
Well, you know, as you drive around town, it's all over the place today. I know we had part of a roof blow off at the county courthouse. There's tree limbs down right across the street at my neighbor's house. So we probably feel pretty lucky. At least it didn't hit a car. It was on the top of my garage and that can be repaired. But certainly I'm glad nobody was out here when this fell because it's a substantial limb. And obviously it's happening all over the city and the county. We're just doing the best we can to clean it up.
Cost of damage?
I don't know at this point. I've certainly taken enough pictures of it, and I guess we'll just have to wait and see when the insurance company assesses, but we'll probably have a deductible, and it also damaged my neighbor's fence, so it makes a difference too that we'll have to pay for her fence because it was our tree that fell.
Message to others in Colorado Springs and the Pikes Peak region about packing patience or whatever you'd like to say to them.
I think that you have to kind of take care of what you can on your own. The lines are packed at utilities right now. I know we have both CenturyLink and Comcast, and I was finally able to get a live person later today. But really just to be patient and to try and do what you can on your own and hire a tree service. Obviously, if it's power lines, they're going to be really concerned about the power and making sure that utilities knows about that. But we're just in a situation where Mother Nature has its own will, and this is just what's happening, I think, all over neighborhoods in Colorado Springs and El Paso County.